Hardscape cracking from tree root pressure is one of the sneakiest problems that can totally wreck your patio or walkway if you don't catch it early. So, first thing, if you notice cracks popping up on your hardscape, check if there are any big tree roots nearby pushing underneath. Roots are super strong and they'll lift and crack concrete or pavers before you even realize what's going on. To fix this without tearing everything out, you can carefully remove the offending roots using a saw or pruners, but be careful not to harm the tree too much or it might die. After that, patching the cracks with a cement filler or replacing the broken pavers will help smooth things out again. If the roots keep coming back or are really aggressive, you might need to install a root barrier, a kind of shield underground that stops roots from growing under your hardscape. Also, when planting new trees, think about the location and choose species with less invasive roots to avoid this mess in the future. Regularly inspecting your hardscape and trimming roots early can save you a ton of hassle down the road. One of the biggest mistakes people make with hardscape cracking caused by tree root pressure is ignoring small cracks until they turn into huge breaks that cost way more to fix. Another common issue is just slapping concrete over cracked areas without removing or controlling the roots first, which means the problem comes back fast. Finally, not planning properly when planting trees near hardscapes, like picking species with aggressive roots or planting them too close, just sets you up for trouble. To fix these, start by acting fast at the first sign of cracks. Always remove or manage roots before repairing. And think ahead about tree placement and root barriers when you set up your yard. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know how to handle tricky jobs like root removal and hardscape repair. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who actually need their skills, so everyone wins.